Welcome to my comprehensive review of Money Tracker, one of the leading personal finance apps designed to streamline expense management and improve your financial health. Today, I'll walk you through the app's core features, ease of use, and overall performance to give you a clear understanding of whether it's worth your time and investment. Money Tracker offers an intuitive interface, making it easy to categorize and track your daily expenses. Upon opening the app, you're greeted with a dashboard that provides a snapshot of your spending, budget goals, and account balances. This overview is customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your financial priorities, whether that's monitoring savings, credit card debt, or specific expense categories like dining or transportation. One standout feature is the budgeting tool. With Money Tracker, you can set monthly or custom budgets for various categories and receive alerts when you're approaching or exceeding those limits. This proactive approach helps users stay on track and avoid overspending. Another useful feature is the automatic transaction syncing, which links directly to your bank accounts and credit cards. This ensures that all your transactions are accurately recorded without the need for manual entry. The app also includes detailed reporting tools. These allow you to analyze your spending habits over time through charts and graphs. Whether you're interested in tracking trends, pinpointing unnecessary expenses, or comparing month-to-month performance, Money Tracker provides all the insights you need to make informed financial decisions. Security is another critical area where Money Tracker excels. It employs bank-level encryption to protect your sensitive financial data, giving you peace of mind while using the app. Additionally, its user-friendly setup process includes a thorough walkthrough to help first-time users get started quickly. While the app offers a free version with basic features, a premium subscription unlocks advanced tools like financial goal planning, debt payoff tracking, and priority customer support. This makes it a versatile tool for both casual users and those with more complex financial needs. Overall, Money Tracker is an excellent choice for anyone looking to gain better control over their finances. It's packed with features, yet simple enough for beginners. If you're serious about improving your money management skills, this app is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and finance tips.